Right then, hopefully now you won't rattle about like a fucking junkie. Stay there. So, we've got a wee rattle in the car, not a rattle but a wind noise at high speed that I want to check out. So we are going to do a wee drive, quick boot up the autobahn. I also want to check if we can actually get to 210 kilometres an hour, if there's some kind of restriction in place. So this shouldn't take that long. The little unrestricted bit's not that far away. They've really made it a lot shorter than it used to be. You used to get a good 6-7 kilometres in the bit close by, maybe longer. And they've cut it all up into tiny wee bits and fucked it all up. Basically, there is no real autobahn any longer. They've fucked it all. Anyway, it is currently minus degrees or 0 degrees, so probably not the best conditions to be doing this in. But the car is nice and warm, so the car's ready to fucking give it all. Oh, I just got fucking out of the supermarket there, and German people aren't funny. At least fucking Querdenker fucktards aren't. Anyway, that's for sure. Are these ones that go to all the fucking protests? Christ, man. So that's the woman for fucking sugar. I think she'll just direct me over to a big pile of normal white sugar, you know, the stuff you put in your fucking tea like everybody else. No. Shelf is full of brown sugar, Rubelzucker, sugar, fucking, sorry, that was a bit German there. Rubelzucker, Candace sugar, fucking packets of brown sugar, different kinds of Demerara sugar, fucking 30 different kinds of sugar, but not one bit of white sugar. Oh, there was white powdered sugar, you're not pish for your cakes. Fucking rank. So, aye. No white sugar. Get up to the cash desk and for a joke I'm like, here mate, is white sugar now bad for the environment, or is it racist or something like that now? And straight away the guy freaks out, he's like, was meinst du, it's racist. They're like, dude, fucking chill out mate, it's just a joke. He's like, ja, ich weiß, aber immer noch. That means like, I know, but even still, I'm like, oh, I just fucking can't win with you fuckers, man, seriously. To be quite honest, I thought it was fucking funny, but apparently fucking not. I mean, the first part was actually a genuine question to it, by the way. It was like, is it like bad for the environment? Is white sugar bad for the environment and that's why they're not selling it? But also though, that fucking supermarket is literally full of fucking the kind of cunts that you find at any protest around Germany right now. You know what I'm talking about? Fucking green shitty dyed hair. All fucking want to tell you what they think and fucking don't allow you to have an opinion, you know what I mean? Hate men, that kind of thing. Even the men hate men. Fat cunts with fucking neckbeards. Fuck me, man. I am fucking through with these cunts. I'm fucking through with them, so anyway, nice wee corner coming up here. Let's see, this guy here's not got to get around the corner exactly right. That's a good registration plate though, SUNT. I could take that as being sunt or cunt or stunt, depending on how you want to mix up the letters and be dyslexic. I'm really liking the curving lights on this, these lights that follow the path. I feel like I've got myself my own fucking Citroen DS now. Although, an issue is that I found is that I do feel rather car sick in this car. Multiple times now I've felt car sick, and it's kind of kicking in again right now. So we're at 116 kilometres an hour, that is about 65. Now, if I had a normal fucking V40, the cunts would have put the there would have been the fucking miles per hour option in it, but for some reason this one doesn't fucking have it. It seems like when Geely bought over Volvo, well I thought Volvo bought over Geely when this car was done, but apparently not, because it's based on a Focus. I suppose it wouldn't be, but it turns out when fucking Geely bought over Volvo, they stripped out a lot of the sportier bits from this, so this is apparently, from what I've read now, is basically a stock, fuck knows, 2014 or 2013 Focus underneath it. I think in many ways a Focus is just a better car. It's just a slightly nicer dress. I mean, but the stereo's better than a Focus. Apparently the drive is better than a Focus. I mean, what's the only thing that's better about this is maybe the fucking seats and the fucking, I don't know, the seats and how it looks, the lights maybe, but the Focus is alright. Don't know, I'm a bit gutted now that I didn't buy a Focus tomorrow just because of my fucking own personal snobbery. See if because I went past one the other day with a red Focus with those badass alloy wheels that I fucking like on. I really need to stop putting on this bullshit fucking accent dialect because I don't even fucking speak this. I don't speak like this. Never, not at all, my dear like that. The problem is I don't speak English with people very often. And the people that I do speak English with tend to be from fucking Poland or Bulgaria or Romania and stuff like that. And then I end up speaking tourist English, which is weird. So see, this here used to be a free speed zone already, unlimited speed. We are at 100 here, which is bullshit. Oh, they're building a speed camera in there. Oh, you dirty bastards. Overall, man, they're just fucking taking the piss here, man. I hate it. I'm tempted to go up to the Frankfurt-Wallow direction because there's a larger stretch there, but even that's been cut down as well. You just can't enjoy it anymore. There's it right there. So, fifth gear, drop it. See where we get to here. Excuse me while I shut up for a second. You will find the speed limit right here. .67, it kicked in, wind noise started. Certainly gets there. Wind noise is a little bit annoying, but do I really need to be annoyed at a little bit of wind noise at fucking 130 mile an hour? I'm never going to drive at 130 mile an hour with a fucking Wayne in the back of the car, that's for sure. Don't you fucking dare, you prick. So they should really put the speed limit before this corner, because there's a fucking tight bastard corner. Then you get to the end of the corner and it's a fucking 100. No, it's an 80. Fuck me. And you don't even see the sign until you're in the fucking corner, you know what I mean? Fuck me sideways. Let's see if I can still bull around here. You could bull around here for a while. This is a bridge that they said they weren't going to rebuild. Oh, come on, mate. Let's see, can we still bully? Bully. It was possible, but they may have changed it. Oh, I don't think you can anymore. No! Oh, you fucked my plan up. Ugh, that's a shout of donkey shite, that. Alright, cool, fuck it. No speed here. Where is it? Let's see how we pick up. 120. Used to be. Wind noise starting again at a lower speed now. wonder if it's the glass. I know I used to know of someone who had a Volvo C30 that the glass had to get replaced in it because of a dodgy sealing. But this isn't it, this is a v40 and it's much newer, so right, let's back off because I'm speeding. No need to speed. Yeah, let's do this. Double back this way here. Oh, that's a tight corner. So, Mainz, Castell, Wiesbaden, Erbenheim. I think, did I go this way? I've got no idea. I should have put an nav here. I think I might have just taken the wrong turn. Yes, I did. You fucking moron. Oh well. I could have double back right there. Now I'm lost and I've got no idea where I'm going. So let's do Navi. No. Navigation.
Phone unavailable.
Suck my tits. Navigation. We programmed you. We taught you how to speak Scottish. Come on. Navigation.